Task 9.2. Post the journals on 31st of May 2025. Post the following journals. Fine. Right. Depreciation, motor vehicles 4,950, office equipment 180 pounds. Let's do that. Right, let's do that. 9.2. Journals, 31st of May 2025. Depreciation journals. Right, 4,950, which is motor vehicles, and it's an expenses depreciation. It has to go to P&L. It's a depreciation. It's a depreciations, and we have to select expense depreciations. Next one, 4,950 credit, which is we have to take it off from the vehicles. We have to credit the vehicles, so therefore it is depreciation charge for the year, so we have to put depreciations. So as much as if you put informations, that will help us in the future. Right. Okay, save this one. Next one, depreciation journal, computer equipments, 180 pounds. Right, 180 pounds. It's an expense, so let's put it to expense. So it's a depreciation charge. Depreciation charge. Now we have to take that off from reduce it by the depreciation. It is equipment fixture fittings, so depreciation charge for the year. That's it. Save it. Pretty simple, very easy journals, right? Thank you.